Good morning everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull Channel. Today we are going to talk about some very important topics like the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price and my price targets for the upcoming week. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important opportunities like the opportunities from yesterday. I showed you 16 airdrops that you can just farm easily from your home. So you can easily farm airdrops, and as you know, there were airdrops like Aptos which were like 5 figures app airdrops, like ENS also 5-figure app airdrop. So you can make a lot of money with this. Now without further ado, let's jump straight in the Bitcoin chart and see what happened during the last couple of hours. As we can see, Bitcoin is still very boring, moving in our rectangle right here, doesn't break out, doesn't break down, it's still moving sideways, a lot of sideways movement, which is not so nice. But as we can see here, we have some very nice bullish pattern unfolding, guys. Let me quickly draw it for you if you cannot see it already. We have here a very nice inverse head and shoulders formation. So, and as you know, inverse head and shoulders is a bullish pattern. So right here, let me quickly erase this. We can see here, this is the, here we have the, one second, here we have the one shoulder, here we have the second shoulder, and here in the middle we have the head. So here it's one shoulder here, the head, and another shoulder here. This is the breaking point that we need to break for this pattern to play out. So once we break out of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, we can expect, let me quickly show it to you, we can expect a price target of from the head to the bottom of the shoulder. And now let's quickly take it from here. Too many patterns, so maybe I need to erase some. I just made this line also exactly on the rectangle here, so it's hard to take from here. 1 second, now I got it. Perfect. So as you can see, guys, if we will break out, we can expect a price target of $48,121. So quite nice. So I think a lot of altcoins will also move with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is going to make now around 12 to 15% to $48,000, I expect a lot of altcoins to do 30%, 20%, or even higher percentages. Now the question is, when will this unfold? So we need to break this resistance here. This is a very important zone. It's also the breakout of the head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's a very important point there. We need to break it. Let's see if we will manage to break it in the upcoming days. That would be amazing. After that, we can expect price target of 48,000, and after that even maybe break above the $50,000. So let's see. I'm very excited for the upcoming week. Now let's take a look at the altcoin market. Now we have Ethereum, $2,300, not moved a lot. We have Link, still a lot of profits on Link to make. I think Link can be easily a couple $100 in the bull market, so I'm accumulating as much as I can. We have Stacks, also at a nice entry point. We have Say, also at an amazing entry point right here. It's 60 cents and 92, so quite amazing to buy right now. It was 75 cents, I think, the top, so still some nice room to grow. You can make a 25% gain only if it goes back there, but I expect Say to go even higher than that. Now what do we have here? What else? Let's see. We have Doge, not moving. Link, the only one that's a little bit still green and made some nice profits this week. Besides that, not many tokens are moving. Everything is just moving sideways. So I am waiting for some nice opportunities right now. So for example, when you see the market is boring, it's not moving a lot, you can do like what I did. I showed you these possibilities to farm these amazing airdrops yesterday on my Twitter and also in my video. So make sure you take this opportunity and farm these airdrops. Now the market is boring, there's not so much volatility, not so many trading opportunities, so you can use some of your precious time to farm some of these amazing airdrops that can give you maybe 5 or maybe even 6 figures airdrops. We had, like, if you know, a Board Ape Yacht Club, I think they did a 6-figure airdrop for their holders. So you never know how big these airdrops can be, or even how much they can be in the future. So I'm quite excited. I'm investing a lot of time into it, farming airdrops, and also trading. Trading is one of the best skills, like if you know trading, you can basically survive everywhere. You can make trading profits and live off your trading profits. You just need like $5,000, and if you make around 30%, 45% on this $5,000, you made $2,000, and with this $2,000 you can live in most of the countries quite easily. And you have a lot of time, because as you know, freedom is one of the most precious things. So don't give up your freedom for some high paying jobs. I would rather just work for myself and be a trader, make my own profits, than work for someone else. Now, this was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.